D.C. Mayor Adrian Fenty has proclaimed this Tennis Week.
And so it is. And it coincides with the Legg Mason Tennis Classic, which is now underway at the Fitzgerald Tennis Center in Rock Creek Park. And that's where we find our friend Holly Morris this morning. Holly, good morning.
Good morning. I hit 3 balls last hour. I'm exhausted. I had to come take a rest, get a drink. I worked up an appetite, so I thought I'd come to the NG Lounge. This is the hippest new lounge in the D.C. area, at least for 10 days, while the Legg Mason Tennis Classic is going on. If you've never come out here, or if you've come out here and only done kind of the fast food thing, you're missing out. You got to come to the Courtside Club. Take a look at this. It truly is like a hip restaurant that they erect here just for the Tennis Classic. And the magic behind the Courtside Club comes to us courtesy of Chef Shannon Shaffer, who's with Design Cuisines. Good to see ya.
Thanks.
Look at this. This is amazing.
It's quite a setup, huh?
It is quite a setup. Tell me what it takes for you guys to pull this off.
It takes about 4 months worth of planning ahead of time, and then 4 or 5 days to set up the facility, and then try and feed 400 or 500 people in about an hour in between the matches.
In between the matches, because it's such
challenge.
great tennis, nobody wants to miss it. So literally everybody's coming to eat at the same time, right?
Exactly.
So what are you making for us?
Today we have our Southwest grilled shrimp salad. Grilled shrimp, avocado, corn, black beans, a little bit of jicama.
Man, it looks good. So this year, they literally are saying it's the best food you guys have ever had. Do you feel like you kind of have to raise the bar each year?
I think each year we challenge ourselves to bring the product up to where we're happy with it and give the clients a little something different.
And you have a lot more space this year.
We do. We've almost doubled the size of our restaurant and lounge. We also do the hospitality tents here, the corporate suites. And we have a special competition tonight. It's an Iron Chef style competition called
tell me about that.
King of the Kitchen with Todd Gray from Equinox Restaurant and Kaz Akochi from Kaz Sushi Bistro and also Mazza 14.
Ooh.
So that's tonight at 6 o'clock here. And that's exciting. So
now, in terms of, we checked out your kitchen a little bit too, and setting that all up has to be quite a logistical.
It is, and it's great. We have convection ovens, stoves, we have fryers, all the refrigeration we need. So it's all pretty self-contained.
How's it going there?
We're in good shape. We're almost ready.
Colorful.
Just finish it off.
So how do people take advantage of do you know how to take advantage of the Courtside Club?
The Courtside Club, certain tickets that for the seats allow you entrance to the Courtside Club.
So you want to ask for that. If you want access to it, you want to ask for it. But it literally has a good vibe to it as far as like the bar and everything. I mean, it's a place people want to hang.
It's a pretty fun atmosphere in between and after the matches. People come in, hang out, have a good time. We have television monitors. You can still catch some tennis if you're wanting to cool off and grab a drink. Because
it is air conditioned. That's the other big thing, because the Legg Mason Tennis Classic is always like the hottest time of the year.
Right.
Though, of course, this summer, our summer has been the hottest time of the year all summer, right? So now, as you're continuing to put that together for us, do you also do food requests for any of the players?
We do. We feed all the players breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the 8 or 10 days that they're here. They eat a lot of pasta, a lot of grilled chicken, a lot of healthy fruits and vegetables.
Any specific requests from any one player that you can think of that's kind of interesting?
Not specifically, but
not one you can share, right?
Exactly.
So are we all done here?
We are all set. We're just going to add our shrimp on here.
I'll take that one. It went off the plate. I think that means it comes to me.
We put a little chipotle cream on top, and that pretty much finishes it off.
That is good. So when you have to come in here, I mean, if one were to come in here, like say I were to come in here, and you wanted to get a table, how do you just wait in line, or
what's it? You just come in, we have a hostess, and they can direct you either to the restaurant or over here at the NG Lounge.
And because you're efficient, you'll be in and out.
And we have food on both sides. So
look at that.
We also have sushi. We partnered with Sushi Co. Restaurant this year. So we have our sushi bar here every night.
Okay, I'll have a little sushi, and I'll have one of every one of those plates that are there.
Great.
Chef, thank you so much.
Sure, thanks for
Obviously,
joining
you're doing
us.
Wonderful work. MyFoxDC.com is our website. We have a link to the Legg Mason Tennis Classic, so you can buy your tickets. I would suggest ones that include the Courtside Club. Coming up in our next hour, we have the 15 seed in the tournament coming. He's 37th in the world right now, I think. Anyway, he's going to come out and tell us what he thinks of the Legg Mason. Back to you.